How to access Bank Windhoek self-service banking. Insert your bank card into the self-service banking device card slot. Enter your PIN on the keypad below. If your PIN is entered incorrectly, this error message will be displayed. Tap Try Again on screen to re-enter your PIN or tap Stop Banking to cancel request and retrieve your card. Note, if your PIN is entered incorrectly 3 times, your card will be detained by the device as a security measure. Please speak to our customer service consultants to retrieve it. The services screen will be displayed when your PIN is entered correctly. The power of banking now lies in your hands. To inquire about our self-service options, speak to our 24-hour customer service consultants on 061 299 1200. Bank Windhoek, a member of Capricorn Group.